Okay. Now, what do we tell your brother? Say. What do we tell him?
Say louder.
Love you who? Who you
Love
talking?
you.
Who are you talking to?
I'm Missy.
Let's see. Well, first you gotta say, I love you, David.
I love you, David. I can't do you now.
Say, I'm so proud of you.
I'm so proud of me.
That was funny. There's Victoria. Oh.
Okay.
He said, I'm so proud of me.